Hello! Hello Finland! Hello Philippines! Hello everyone! So, today, as you can see, I'm wearing my tablecloth blouse. I thought it's a tablecloth. So, yes, this is will be our project for today. So, last time or last week, we have a big sale in the fabric store and one bag costs 5 euros. So, in that bag, this is included. Or how much you put in that bag, you pay 5 euros. So, I got crazy about that. So, now, please grab your scissor, your measurement, your elastic or garter. We will need this. And if you can remember or watch the video that last time we make the pattern, we will use that also, including the sleeves. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, welcome. And my name is Edna Lopez. I'm your kamananahe for today. And we will do the sewing project for beginner. Please subscribe and hit the bell button para po ma-notify kayo sa mga videos nating i-upload. And at sa mga nag-subscribe, nag-share, nanood ng videos ko kahit po walang kakwenta-kwentang videos. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa mga nag-comment kahit hindi ko po kayo kilala. Maraming salamat po, binabasa ko po ang comment nyo. Okay, we'll start now. Thank you so much for staying with me. With the scissor and our pattern, please cut the fabric all the way. Then on top of pants, please stitch both sides. Like this, or use zigzag or straight stitch. Follow the two sides of inner pants. Now we're cutting our waistband. And please don't forget to put allowance. I don't have long fabric, so I decided to use this one. Cut in the middle and then attach each other. And I will sew both sides to make a circle waistband. And then put the garter, sew both sides. Like this. Then fold the fabric and sandwich the garter in the middle. Use pin so the garter is stay while we do our stitching process. And find in the middle and make mark and match to our front pants. Then sew all the way. Don't sew while it's wrinkled. Try to make it flat like the other pants. If you have trouble doing that, take out for a while and then pull all the way until you get the flat surface of that fabric. And then sew again or stitch again. Now we are done with our pants. This is how we look like. Now we work on our front bodies. back and forth. Oh, back and front. Sorry. Please ignore my grammar and my English. Just focus to our project. I cut a little bit longer because I don't want to show my stomach. I decided to make a bit longer blouse. Please cut or make mark where we going to stitch our blouse. If you notice, I don't really use much of my measurement. I'm just using my imagination. And this is our sleeves. I would like my sleeves a bit longer. So I decided to, of course, cut a bit longer. Guys, forgive my grammars. I hope you guys understand. I'm trying to explain as I can. Now put pins both side of these front bodies, so when we sew, it's even. So the side for connection with back and front bodies. Now, because this fabric is not really stretchy, so I decided to cut in the middle and put the button in the front. You can use zipper if you would like to, but this time I will use buttons. Then I cut 2 stripes to put to the front bodies where I cut, to make a little bit neat. But then I put garter first. Put the garter and the fabric folded 3 times. Then sew with the zigzag stitch. Sorry. And this is the back bodies. Again, we'll put the garter or elastic, fold it 3 times, and stitch with the zigzag stitch. This is how it look like. And this is our sleeves. Cut a bit so we can put the garter when we fold together both sides. And cut a little more if you need to. But make sure you put holes so we have space when we put the garter inside. Then connect the sleeve to the bodies. And sew along. And leave a space so we can put the garter when we put that together. Stitch both sides of the sleeves. Then we put garter inside the sleeves. Then finish the sleeve by stitching the end of those, including the garter. This is how we look like when we finish. And then fold 3 times and hem all the side or end of this fabric. And this is the buttons that I'm going to use. Like I said, you can use zipper if you want to. This is how it look like. Then I decided to put a small garter on the end of the sleeves. And then little bit ribbon to make look nicer. Now we try our clothes and congratulations! We finished our project for today. Thank you guys for staying with me and I hope you learned something for our project for today. See you next time. Stay safe. Thank you. Bye.